My name is Sudhir. I'm from Meerut, and I've
Hmm.
been learning English for 1.5 year, and I'm trying to learn English and to
Yes.
be fluent in English. Yeah,
Mhm.
and
So how? Yeah, tell me.
I kept watching your videos because it's important to watch
Mm-hmm.
videos in English. It's important to listen English because
Mm-hmm.
you have to watch videos and s- uh, speaking practice is important.
Mm-hmm. I see. I see.
Yeah.
So, how long have you been learning English? Since when you have
Uh,
been learning?
yeah, 1.5 year. But I'm learning is very slow.
I see. How? How? What do you mean by very slow? Slow in a
Maybe not. I'm not working hard on my English.
I see, I see. So what do you think that how if some person wants to learn English, what measurements should we take? Like what action we need to take to learn English? What should we
Okay.
do?
According to me, we have to join any class and first two three important things. They say like
Mm-hmm.
speaking or reading, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and listening.
I see.
These are very important to learn English.
Mm-hmm. So do you follow these steps? Do you follow these steps like
Yeah, yeah,
reading?
yeah. I follow these steps. Yeah,
I
speaking
see.
and I'm reading some books, so that's
I,
why I
I,
can read.
I see. To whom you speak, Mr. Naveen? With whom you speak English? How you
I
practice your
have
English?
I have my friends. I can speak with them.
I see.
I speak with them.
Why don't you download our application called
Yeah, yeah.
Hybro?
I have already downloaded your app and
I see.
I have given a comment that your hard work. Yeah, you
Yes,
did really great thing.
thank
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
thank you very
I've
much.
already
Thank
downloaded,
you.
and it's amazing.
Yes, thank you, sir. The purpose of Hybro is app is that most of the people say that we don't have the environment. We don't have the environment. We
Yeah,
don't have
yes, yes, yes. Yeah,
tips
yeah,
for that. If you are
yeah.
looking for a partner, if you are looking for a partner, go and download the Hybro app. You will get lots of genuine partner out there. You know,
Yes,
lots of
yes, yes, yes.
more
And
than two.
it's yes, it's very amazing because it's like a WhatsApp. You can chat there, you can call there, you can video call, whatever you purpose.
No, sir. I didn't add video call out there right now, but inshallah soon, I will
Okay,
implement
okay,
it. No, you just
okay.
call voice call only voice
Yeah, yeah.
call. Yeah, but sooner or later, I'll implement the video call functionality as well.
Okay, okay. That will be great.
Yes, thank you, thank you. Now, what do you do, Mr. Nadeem? Sorry, I didn't. I should not ask this question. Why
Yes.
you want to learn English? Why you wanted to learn English?
It's my desire to learn English because
You know,
I
it's your
used
you wanted
yes,
to go.
yes, 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 yes. Sorry, I can't hear. I didn't hear.
You wanted to go abroad somewhere else. That's why you are learning, or is there something else?
No, I don't want to go abroad. I want to go abroad, but not for working. Just
Mm-hmm.
if I go for traveling, so that's why I want to learn. And it's my I like English. I like speaking,
I
so
see, I see,
that's why I'm learning.
I see. Can you please tell me the exact purpose for that I am learning English? For that I wanted to, whatever
Yes,
it
yes,
is.
yeah. Uh, in childhood, I used to watch WWE.
WWE.
WWE. So it's in English. So that's why one day I used to watch the show, and it I'm not I'm not able to understand that
I
time.
see.
So that I thought, okay, one day I will learn English and then understand it.
Yes. So, your family, how many brothers? Who is in your family?
Yeah. I have very beautiful family. We have 6 members in my family. Me and my two younger brothers and three sisters. We have all member, three brothers and three sisters. So
My,
my father passed away in 2018. So
I,
I have yeah.
I see. I see. So, with whom you live in Mumbai? With whom you live in Mumbai? With your friends
With
or?
my friends.
I see. I see. Well, living in Mumbai, it's very costly, don't you think so?
Yeah, yeah,
Live
yeah, yeah. It's very costly.
the rent. What is the rent of your house or your home?
It's 11,000.
11,000. Look at that. 11,000 is a big deal. And how many people of you are living in one home? How many people?
Three.
Three people. It means that 4,000 approximately.
Yes,
For
yes, yes. Yes, 4,000.
you are here in Surat, like 4,000 rupees. The rent of the
Yes.
house 4,000, 5,000, and in some area you will get 2,000 as well per month rent rate in Surat.
Okay. Yeah, it's very cheap price.
Yeah, it's not that much, but it's okay. It's under the budget. It's okay. If you compare to Surat and Mumbai, it's cheap.
Yes, yes, yes. If we compare Surat and Mumbai, yeah, because Mumbai is a high,
Mm-hmm.
it's
Then
a
tell me
very cost.
what you want to do in your life. What's your dream, Mr. Nadeem? What do you want to achieve? Why you are here in
I
Mumbai?
want to become a little businessman. Little businessman.
I thought
Yes.
you are want to become an actor. You look.
No, 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 no,
I
sir.
thought
No,
you are
sir.
here in Mumbai.
I'm not. I don't like acting.
You don't
I don't
like?
want to become actor.
Yeah, I see. I thought like that.
No.
Yeah. So you wanted to start a business.
Yes, yes, yes. I want to start my business.
Right. So what kind of a business you would like to start?
No, I'm thinking about some what I'm doing and other businesses. So when I will start, so let's see.
Yes, inshallah. Inshallah. May
Yes,
God bless you and may God
yes,
fulfill you in whatever you wanted to achieve. Inshallah. Then, Mr. Nadeem, tell me something, sir. Ask me something. Would you like to ask me related to English? Anything you'd like to ask me related to English?
yeah, yeah. I would like to say one thing that you are doing really great because you opened your YouTube channel and you are giving a chance to everybody and connect with you. So it's a
Mhm.
great thing. And through this, I'm connecting with you right now. Yeah. So
It's
it's a
my,
great thing. And
it's my big
and
wisdom.
and
And
people get motivation to watching your videos. Yes,
yes,
and they we are improving our English through your channel and through from you.
thank you. I know I need your people's support and love. You know,
Yes,
I want to do so many things for you people. This is just the beginning, Mr. Nadeem. This is just the beginning. I want to
yes,
do so many
yes,
things for my people, for you people. I want to do so many things for you, inshallah, soon.
yes.
This is just
One of my friends recommended me your videos. He said to me, watch this guy and you will improve your English, learning English. And that's I used to start watching your videos.
I
Yeah,
see. That's
so
great.
that's
That's
yeah.
great. That's great. Who was your friend? Who was your friend?
Yeah. Uh, उसका नाम थोड़ा I forgot his name. Akhil.
Where
Akhil. Akhil. Akhil.
Akhil? Where he lives in? Where is
He
from?
lives in Chandigarh, but he's from maybe Bihar, but he lives in Chandigarh right now.
I see. I see.
Yes.
Well, I don't know what our young
Yeah.
generation They are learning English. I don't know what's going on in their mind. But most of
Yes.
our young generation are learning English. It's very good. It's very
Yeah.
good.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Fantastic game. It's very good, sir. It's very good. So, Mr. Nadeem, it's time to move on. It's time to move on. If you need any help in the future related to English, just let me know on WhatsApp. Just do WhatsApp. Just message me. I'll be there for you to give you all of your queries and all of your questions answered. I'll be there for you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
And
And
I have learned a word from you. Uh, it's a it's a piece of cake word. I was watching your videos, and you told the word, it's a piece of cake. So
yes,
I was yeah, it's a piece of cake. Yani, matlab, easy. It's
yes,
synonym easy.
yes. Learning English is a piece of a cake.
Yes,
It's a
yes, yes.
piece of
It's a
a
piece
cake.
of cake.
Yeah, if you focus 100% on English, then it's a piece of a cake. It's not a big deal to learn English, Mr. Nadeem. It's
Yes,
not a big
yes.
deal. Anybody
Yeah.
can learn English.
It
Anybody,
seems,
anybody.
but it's not a big deal. Yes, yes,
No, it's a big deal. It's a big deal, brother. It's a
yes,
big deal. But if it's not big deal when you put your 100%.
yes, yes, yes,
If you determine something that I want to achieve something, then it's not a big deal. It's a cup of tea or like a piece of a cake.
yes,
Yes, but
yes,
you must determine yourself that yeah, I want to learn. I want to learn. Do or die. I want to learn.
yes, yes. You're right. You're absolutely right.
Absolutely. So, Mr. Nadeem, allow me to go, brother. Take care of yourself.
Yes.